In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add and use appointments on Godaddy website. If you want customers to book time directly from your site, the Godaddy Appointments feature is a great option. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to click and what settings to enter, so your booking calendar works the way you expect. First, go to your Godaddy dashboard. Once you are logged in, look to the left side of the screen for the menu. Find and click Appointments. This is the section where you will create and manage your booking availability. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the right area, because the dashboard has several different tools, and appointments are specifically handled inside this menu. Next, you will set up the appointment details. In the Appointments area, click Services, and then choose Add Service. A form should appear where you can enter the appointment name, the duration, the price, and your availability. The appointment name should clearly describe what you offer, so customers instantly understand what they are booking. The duration tells the system how long each booking will take, and the price sets what you will charge per appointment. Availability is also important because it controls when customers can request times. After you fill out the fields, review everything quickly to ensure the details are correct. After that, click Save. This step matters because it stores your service and makes it available for scheduling. If you do not save, your appointment settings will not be applied to the booking calendar. Now that your appointment service exists, you can place it on your actual website. To do that, move back to the Website Builder area. Click Website, and then choose Edit Website in the left sidebar. This opens the Page Design canvas, where you can add elements to the layout. When you are on the canvas, look for the part of your site where visitors should find the booking option. Once you know where the scheduler should go, click Add section on the page where you want the scheduler to live. This tells the editor that you are about to insert a new content block. Choose a location that is easy to notice, such as a dedicated area on a service page or a section near your contact information, so people can book without searching. After opening the section options, search for appointments, or possibly scheduling, depending on how the editor labels it. When you find the relevant option, select your preferred layout block. Different layouts can change how the calendar appears, so pick the one that best matches your page design. Then click Add. At this point, the booking scheduler block should appear on the canvas. From here, you need to make sure the booking calendar is live for visitors. Click Publish at the top right. Publishing updates your site and makes the appointment scheduling feature available to anyone who visits the page. Take a moment to ensure you are ready to go live, because publishing is what finalizes your changes. After publishing, your website visitors should be able to view the scheduler and book based on the service settings you created earlier. If you notice anything off, you can always return to your appointment setup to adjust name, duration, price, or availability, and then publish again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.